Hi, I'm Stella V, and this is one of my very favorite kitchen tips. My secret: do not throw anything out that's going to add flavor to your meals. Flavor comes from many sources, and the best place for flavor, anything that you think you want to throw out, please don't. Every time I have shrimp, I save all my shells, I put them in a baggie and keep them in the freezer. As you can see, I've got some crab shells, shrimp shells, onion, celery, and that's all you need to make the most delicious, flavorful seafood broth. I've simply taken all of those frozen shells and added them to water. I've filled my Instant Pot 2/3 of the way full, added all of these shells and scraps, 1 onion, celery, and salt, and I've put it on pressure cook. The pressure cook went for 45 minutes and then I let it naturally release. I've removed all the solids. I have left wonderful liquid gold. It smells wonderful. It's going to add so much flavor to any of your seafood dishes. Now you can simply put these in containers and keep them in the freezer, or what I like to do is put them into mason jars, and that way I'm not using freezer space for my broth. The key to using mason jars to keep your broth is simply making sure that the broth is boiling hot, and I've got it on the saute function, and then I simply pour them into my mason jar, seal it really, really tight, and turn it over. I keep them flipped over for a few hours, even overnight. The key is to make sure that the lid is concave. Very simple. I have a funnel that's made for mason jars, and I've got a little tiny sieve to remove any impurities, and I simply fill the mason jar with this wonderful, flavorful broth. And if you don't have a funnel specifically made for mason jars, there's a link in the description. I get mine from Amazon, and you'll be able to find it there. And this is what you're looking for. You'll see a slight concave to the top of the lid, and that means it's ready. It'll be ready for you whenever you're ready to make your sauces. And you can always store your broth, any kind of stock, in Ziploc bags, and just simply keep them in the freezer for when you need them. Now, if you haven't got your Instant Pot yet, or you're ready to step up to a new model, please make sure you look in the description, and there's a link to Amazon where you'll see the whole selection of Instant Pots. And the next video you should see is right here. Hi, come cook with me because I'm Stella V. And if you like what you see, hit subscribe, leave a comment, tell me that you've subscribed, and I'll reply.